Okay, I am back with a what I packed for lunch as a teacher that has lost almost 60 pounds. Happy Monday, you guys. It is actually cold today here in Texas. It's like 38 degrees, and that's very cold for us Texans. So I'm just like, oh, wow, I need to go shopping for some more warmer clothes. But I am in a good mood, but I am really hungry, and I'm on time today. Actually, I'm early. So let's go ahead and unpack. She's full, and I'm so excited for lunch. If you did not see my last video for my meal prep for the week, then you need to go check that out. I went to the gym. I got to do my full workout today. If you don't know, I go to the gym before work, and I have to be at work at 8:15. So I try to get there between 8. I try to get to the gym between 5 and 5:15, and today I made it about 5:15 to the gym, so that is good news for a Monday. All right, as always, let's go ahead and start off with breakfast. For breakfast, I just have a cinnamon swirl protein bagel with plain whipped cream cheese. Whipped cream cheese is lower in calories than regular cream cheese, eggs, and then I have 3 chicken sausages. Chicken sausage is really high in protein and low in calories, and it's so tasty and easy to prep for your breakfast. For lunch, which I'm so overly excited for, I have Chipotle for meal prep. If you have not checked out my video, I was able to meal prep for the next few days with Chipotle under $50. So make sure you check out that video. So in here I have white rice, chicken, and then I have black beans. Then I have all my toppings. For my toppings, I have cheese and lettuce. And then I have some sour cream. I ran out of these containers, so I have to go get more. So I put my guacamole in here. It's okay. We're going to make it work. And then my corn salsa. Y'all, I want to skip everything and just go to lunch. And then I have my vinaigrette and my hot salsa. I'll keep these both in my classroom refrigerator so that I'll have them for the rest of the week. And then I just have a little bit of chips for the side. And then for my snacks today, this is really part of my breakfast, is blueberries. Berries are really good for weight loss. And then I have my popcorn, 50 calories. And then I have some strawberry yogis. And then if I want me a nice little sweet treat, I have this Unreal dark chocolate peanut butter cup. This is only about 50 calories, and it's actually really yummy. And then, of course, I will be drinking my Stanley all day. So these are some things that I have incorporated into my diet that has helped me lose almost 60 pounds and actually keep the weight off.